Hey, welcome to our video about ABA terms. This is a YouTube channel work to help you pass the BCBA exam. All material we provided is based on the 5th edition BCBA exam requirements. This video is presented by BCBA Mock Exam. For more information, you can visit us at www.bcbamockexam.com. Let's get started into today's content. Our first term is about rule-governed and contingency-shaped behavior. Rule-governed behavior and contingency-shaped behavior are two distinct ways in which our actions are influenced. Let's start by defining these terms. Rule-governed behavior refers to actions that are guided by verbal or written instructions, rules, or guidelines. These rules act as controlling factors, directing our behavior without the need for direct consequences. On the other hand, contingency-shaped behavior refers to actions that are shaped by the direct consequences they produce. These behaviors are influenced by the immediate outcomes or reinforcements that follow our actions. Now, let's explore some examples to further understand the differences between rule-governed and contingency-shaped behavior. Example 1. Imagine you are assembling a piece of furniture following a detailed instruction manual. Your actions are guided by the rules and steps outlined in the manual, and you follow them without necessarily experiencing immediate consequences. Example 2. Now, consider a scenario where you are learning to ride a bicycle. As you pedal and balance, you are shaping your behavior based on the immediate consequences you experience, such as maintaining balance or falling off. Example 3. Social etiquette and cultural norms also influence our behavior. We follow certain rules, such as saying thank you or excuse me, without necessarily receiving immediate consequences. These rules govern our behavior in social settings. Understanding the distinction between rule-governed and contingency-shaped behavior helps us recognize how different factors influence our actions. By being aware of these influences, we can make conscious choices and adapt our behavior to various situations. Unlock the power of behavior influence by understanding the interplay between rule-governed and contingency-shaped behavior. Remember, by recognizing these influences, we can navigate our actions more effectively and achieve desired outcomes. Our second term is about the verbal operants. We will explore various types of verbal behavior and perceptual abilities. Let's delve into it. Verbal behavior encompasses a range of skills, including tacts, echoics, intraverbals, listener responding, and motor imitation. Additionally, we will explore the visual perception matched to sample task. Let's define each of these and provide some examples to deepen our understanding. Tact refers to labeling or naming objects, actions, events, or properties in the environment. It involves expressing or describing what is observed using language. For example, when a child sees a dog and says, "Dog," they are tacting the object they see. Man refers to a request. The learner communicates what they want or need. For example, Therese seeing a clock in her classroom, pointing, and saying clock. Echoic involves repeating or imitating what is heard. It is a form of vocal imitation where the individual mimics the auditory stimulus they have heard. An example of echoic behavior is when someone hears the word hello and repeats it by saying hello in response. Intraverbal refers to responding to verbal stimuli with other verbal behavior that is not directly related to the original stimulus. It involves answering questions, having conversations, or engaging in verbal exchanges. If someone asks you, "What is your favorite color?" and you respond with blue, You are demonstrating intraverbal behavior. Listener responding involves understanding and following verbal instructions or commands. It is the ability to respond appropriately to verbal cues or prompts. When someone tells you to clap your hands, and you respond by clapping, you are engaging in listener responding. Motor imitation refers to imitating or copying the physical actions or movements of others. For instance, if a child watches a dance routine and tries to mimic the movements, they are demonstrating motor imitation. Visual perception match to sample VPMTS is a perceptual task that involves matching or selecting a stimulus from a set of options based on its similarity or correspondence to a sample stimulus. In a VPMTS task, if you are presented with a sample picture of an apple and asked to select the picture of an apple from a set of options, you are engaging in visual perception match to sample. Understanding these different verbal operants and perceptual skills helps us grasp the complexity of human communication and perception. By developing and honing these abilities, we enhance our interactions with the world around us. Unlock the power of verbal behavior and perceptual skills by recognizing and nurturing these abilities. Remember, by mastering these skills, we enhance our communication and understanding of the world. That's all the about terms for today's video. We will post more videos about key about terms and definitions in BCBA exam, so please follow our channel and let us to help you pass the BCBA exam at the first try. If you wish to study more about terms and try real BCBA exams, welcome to visit us at www.bcbamockexam.com. That's all the content for today's video. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy it.